the ultimate secret formula to make your crush chase you. That's right. We're diving into relationship advice and self-improvement, helping you unlock the love code and master the art of attraction. First things first, it's all about self-improvement. Take some time to focus on yourself, discover your passions, and boost your self-confidence. Remember, when you feel good about yourself, it radiates outwards and naturally draws others in. Next, be genuine. Don't put on a facade or try to be someone you're not just to impress your crush. True connections are built on authenticity. Embrace your quirks, showcase your unique personality, and let your genuine self shine through. Your crush will be magnetically drawn to the real you. Now let's talk about showing interest. Take the time to get to know your crush on a deeper level. Ask meaningful questions, listen attentively, and show genuine curiosity in their life. By demonstrating that you care, you'll create a strong foundation for a lasting connection. Confidence is key. Stand tall, speak your mind, and believe in yourself. Confidence is incredibly attractive, and when you exude it, your crush won't be able to resist your charm. Lastly, create a little mystery. Don't reveal everything about yourself right away. Leave your crush wanting more. Keep them intrigued by sharing glimpses of your life, but also by maintaining a sense of privacy. This allure will make them eager to discover more about the fascinating person you are. And there you have it, the secret formula to make your crush chase you. Remember, it all starts with self-improvement, being genuine, showing interest, being confident, and creating a bit of mystery. Follow these steps, and love will surely be on your side.